Hey guys, this is what we got going on today. Been working on it for about 3-4 hours now, probably. Cold outside, very cold outside, very windy. Pulled this thing into washing. Not done yet. We got that side over there pretty much done, but not this side. Very nasties back in through there. There's the mess I got out of it. A big pile of nasties. Let's see. I don't think I did much on this one yet. You can kind of see the nasties down in there. We're getting her. Slowly but surely. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to flip her around on you. Yeah, this is what we're doing. All kinds of nasties. It won't be when we get done. Get in there. It's even nasty. Nasties in there. Okay. Just showing you what we've been up to. Some nasties all around there. We'll get her, guys. We'll get her. Can't do much outside, so we're gonna work in here. There's nasties. Look at that. We're gonna work in here and wash equipment. Just a couple tractors to wash after this, so. Then when it's like 15 degrees outside, the wind's blowing, it's cold. So you want to be in here where it's warm. Washing equipment. Come up here, guys. bit of beans down in there. We'll get them. It's a long way down there, guys. See what we got over here. There's some. So it ain't quite as bad as the other one. I just want to show you what we're up to, guys. Up here, nice and warm because of that. That's our heat right there, guys. When it's cold outside, you want to be in here where it's warm. I'm about beat. I've been after this for a while. 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. I put it in right before I went to lunch. And man, it's just been freezing outside, and you come in here, it's nice in here, but not outside. Alright, just want to share with you guys what we're doing, what's going on. Please wait for the next video, and if you guys are living in a cold climate, please stay warm, please stay warm. Till next time, guys. We'll see you at the next video.